Welcome to the channel of Top Tips for Entrepreneur.
Are you passionate about crafting? Want to turn your hobby into a thriving online business? Look no further. In this video, we'll show you the ultimate guide to selling crafts online, from Etsy to Amazon and beyond. Let's start with Etsy. With over 39 million buyers, it's the perfect platform to showcase your unique creations. Simply set up your shop, choose captivating product photos, and write compelling descriptions. Don't forget to use relevant tags to attract potential customers. But Etsy is just the beginning. Amazon, the world's largest online marketplace, offers incredible opportunities for craft sellers. Consider becoming a pro merchant and gain access to exclusive benefits like increased visibility and unlimited product listings. To succeed on Amazon, you'll need to optimize your product listings. Use high-quality images, add descriptive bullet points, and include relevant keywords. When customers search for your items, they'll find them easily. Aside from Etsy and Amazon, there are many other platforms to explore, such as eBay, Shopify, and even social media channels like Instagram and Facebook Marketplace. Expand your reach and find your target audience in unexpected places. Once you've set up your online stores, remember to market your crafts effectively. Leverage social media to showcase your creations, collaborate with influencers, and engage with your customers. Building a strong online presence is key to growing your business. Lastly, don't forget about the power of customer reviews. Encourage your satisfied customers to leave feedback on your store, as positive reviews can boost your credibility and attract more buyers. So, are you ready to embark on your online crafting journey? The Guide to Selling Crafts Online has given you the tools and strategies to turn your passion into profit. Get creative, think outside the box, and success will follow. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more helpful tips and guides.
I hope this video has inspired you to start your own small business. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more top tips for entrepreneurs. We'll be sharing more videos on how to start and grow your own business, achieve financial freedom, and live your best life. Thanks for watching.